Now, then we come to the part about when there is actually inflammation around the tooth and you apply a force in the form of, say, braces or, orthodontics or in the form of bruxism, then what you do see actually is an exacerbation. In other words, it's not, the inflammation does spread like wildfire. The whole thing kind of unzips. So that's what we know. Now, clinically, what we see, right? So if going by that notion and going by, your original question about bruxism and periodontitis, then it would make sense that, you is somebody who is a very severe clencher or very severe bruxer, they should have extremely bad periodontal disease.
But not always.
Yeah. What you
Very
actually
rare,
do,
actually.
what you do find is that they have huge bony structure, huge bony shells,
Yes.
tori,
Yes.
right?
Exostoses.
Exostoses everywhere, and no periodontal disease.